Orkla India Limited announces launch of its initial public offering. Orkla India Limited, a Bangalore-headquartered, multi-category food company, has officially opened its initial public offering, IPO, for public subscription. The issue opened today, Wednesday, 29th October 2025, and will close on Friday, 31st October 2025. The company's equity shares are proposed to be listed on the Indian stock exchanges on 6 November 2025. This public issue comes on the heels of a robust anchor book, through which the company successfully mobilized 500 crore rupees from a distinguished lineup of institutional investors. These include Nippon Life India, Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, Ashoka White Oak, Nomura Funds, Government Pension Fund Global, Jupiter Global Fund, and Pinebridge Global Funds, among others. A key player in India's fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG, space, Orkla India has built a strong legacy over several decades, offering a wide portfolio of trusted food brands across categories and meal occasion. According to a Technopack report, the company ranked among the top 4 leading players in revenue from operations for fiscal 2024 within the spices and convenience foods segment. With a solid international presence, Orkla India exports to over 45 countries across the globe. For fiscal 2025, international markets contributed 20.6%, 4,861.7 million rupees of its total product revenue, reflecting its growing global reach and brand resonance. Backed by its parent company Orkla ASA, one of the most respected names in global consumer brands, Orkla India benefits from access to world-class standards in corporate governance, innovation, and operational excellence.
I can only tell you that in our entire journey, whether it was in India, whether it was Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, Rajkot, whether it was in Hong Kong, Singapore, London, wherever we met an Indian, he was a consumer of MTR and he was a consumer of Eastern. So we have only met friends, we have only met people who have loved our brands, and therefore the response that we are getting today is nothing new or nothing unexpected. It's the love that is being poured by investors to participate in our journey.